Oh. -12.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Cold. People are walking. The ambulance. How is it ambulance in français? Oh, this guy is just rotating. Just look at that! Look at that! Did you see? Turning is very dangerous here. You know visibility.
Slow.
It's 2-lane road.
Slow, yes.
How come this guy came? You are going to. Oh. What? How come? Why he did go? I do in this road for 4 years, 2 years in Deep River. Wind. Oh man, 90 km/h. Welcome to Canada. That's why it's called Welcome to Canada.
Snow valley.
You are getting, this would be the road, not on the sky. Okay.
Wiper चला.
Okay. So,